French braid on your own hair. I know it is a very complex hairstyle, all of you feel, but it is not. It is easy and it looks totally cute. You can wear it on a one piece or a casual dress or anywhere you go and you look totally fab in that. So without wasting our time, let's start with the first hairstyle.
Divide the hair down the center of the head. Take a section at the top on one side and separate it into 3 parts. Try keeping the 3 sections equal in size to make the braid look more uniform. Cross right section over the middle and then cross left section over the middle. Add more hair to the section on the right before you cross it over to the middle section. Then add more hair to the section on the left before you cross it over to the middle section. Again add more hair to the section on the right before you cross it over to the middle section. And add more hair to the section on the left before crossing it over to the middle section. Continue the braiding process by adding small strands of hair from both sides. Keep on adding small strands to the both section and cross both section over the middle. Repeat the braiding process until you have added the remaining hair into the braid. Use a hair tie to secure your hair braid. Pull out some hair from the sides and pull the strands from your braid to give it a bigger look. Follow the same process on the other side of the head to create another French braid with the classic double French braid. Second hairstyle. Follow the same process as shown before for another French braid. Take a section on the top, part it into 3 parts. Cross the right section over the middle, then the left section over the middle section. Add some more hair to the right before passing it over to the middle section. Then add some more hair to the section on the left before you cross it over to the middle section. Continue braiding process till you reach the neck. When you reach the neck, you should have incorporated all the hair. Once you reach your neck, take all your hair in a ponytail and tie it with a hair tie. Take a small strand of your hair and pinch the hair upwards. Do this for the whole ponytail to give it more volume. Pull out some hair from the sides. For the second side, continue the same as shown before. Follow the same process on the other side to create another French braid. Side, take one more strand from your other ponytail and wrap it around the hair bow. Secure it with a bobby pin. And you are done with your second hairstyle.
So guys, we come to an end to this video. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Desi Girl. If you want more hairstyle like this, please comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.